Hello. Hello. Okay, so can you hear me? Okay, so I did not hear you properly. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. So now clear. Okay. Okay. So how are you?
Sorry, I've got very little bandwidth here, maybe.
Okay, so now clear. Okay.
No, hold on.
Okay. So now do you want to add the another area? Okay, on this code, and then you try to make this result for another region. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So for this you can
Okay,
see.
no.
Yeah.
Firstly, I went in and I changed what you call, remember elephant marshes?
Yeah.
And I went into your feature class and I picked up another one and I copied and pasted it, and then it came up with an error.
Okay. So I will try to show you all of the details how you can easily do this. Suppose you can see in this time I want to okay, so I simply share my screen. Okay, so now can you see my screen?
Hold on, it's just refreshing. Yes, I can.
Okay. So now you can see here I just work with this region, and okay, so in this code here you can see, first of all I import your shapefile, all of the shapefile, all of the province or district, all of the shapefile I imported in my Google Earth Engine platform. Okay.
Yeah, I did this.
Yeah, and this they are the total you can see this is the also name, the province name, also you can see the province name, also in the province name. Okay, so in this time
Yeah.
I want to work with this province, so I simply just use this name in here. Okay, then
Yeah, no, I put in the new name now, and then it doesn't work.
why, what's the name you want to put in here? Another name is not work.
Oh yeah, so put in, okay, go to another one. Go to Matandwe, number 2, Matandwe Forest Reserve.
Okay, so I simply copy this.
Yeah, copy that. You paste
and then
it into where
I
elephant.
simply paste here.
Yeah, and then you run it.
Then click to the run. Okay, so now I can see WFP, right? You can see.
Yeah, no, that worked. Now, when I did it on mine, it came up with an error message.
Okay, no, you can just try to use the same spelling or same name.
No, I copied and pasted. I did exactly what you just did now. Exactly. Let me do it on mine.
Okay, so if you want, you can simply share your screen. Then I also try to check it. What is the problem?
Yeah, no, I'll do that. Yeah, let me share
so you can
screen.
simply share the screen. Then I also check the problem. What is the problem?
All right. So can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay, hold on. Share. You can see my screen?
No. Okay, so now we're starting. Yeah. Now okay.
You can see it. Yeah. So I go to here.
And then go to the feature. Click the feature. Yeah.
I go to feature. Yeah, feature.
Then
I
copy.
then copy. I copy this one.
Yeah.
Copy. And then I close it. And then I paste in here. Paste.
Yeah.
And
then click the run.
Oh, why is it working?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. So it's
Okay.
working.
Can you teach me? Also,
Okay, I did not hear you.
at the moment,
Yeah. Sometimes you are buffering, so I did not hear you properly. Hello.
hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
So now,
Sorry.
So now working.
So
Yeah.
how do I put? At the moment, we have projects, GMISAN, assets, AOI parks. I want to know how I can obviously put this in my own project space, because if you
Okay.
delete this,
Yeah.
if you delete this, I lose it.
Yeah. Okay. So in this time, I also try to show you this how you can easily import the shapefile in the Google Earth Engine
Yeah.
platform, and after this, how you can
Okay.
easily get the result. Okay. So in this time, you can I also
Okay.
simply share my screen. Just a minute, so that
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
All right.
so now it's okay. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in this time, you need to use the same code but other region. Okay, that other region.
Yeah.
So first of all,
Yeah.
you have to the shapefile. Suppose in this time I want to just download the shapefile of the Bangladesh district. All of the Bangladesh district, I simply download the shapefile from here. So this is the website
Okay.
dvgis.org gdata. So basically, it's provide the
Yeah.
all of the administrative areas. So in this time, I want to work with the Bangladesh. So I simply
No, hold on. Do Malawi. Go down to Malawi.
so it's the country
Malawi.
name. Yeah.
Yeah, Malawi. It's the country that with my data is inside.
Mala MALA.
Malawi. Correct. Yeah, that's it. That's
Yeah.
it.
So I simply download the administrative area. Administrative area. Then okay.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Then download.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I can see it downloaded.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I simply open this folder. So this is the unzip.
Yeah.
So I need to unzip this folder. So I simply unzip this
Yeah.
folder.
Yeah.
So okay, so unzip in this folder.
Yeah.
And then I
Okay.
simply open this folder. So here I can
Yeah.
get total. You can see 0, 1. Also you can see 2.
Yeah,
Also you can see
yeah.
3. So here you want
Yeah,
to
so
suppose.
just do 0.
Yeah. So 0 is the only for the boundary of the Malai. I think 1 is the division, 2 is the district, or 3 is the sub district.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in this time,
Regions and districts. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So if you want, you can also check the all of the shapefile using the ArcMap software. And I also work with this your project after downloading TPMS, how you can easily work with the in the ArcMap software. I also open this download the TPMS, single TPMS from the previous link.
Yeah.
And you can also work with this also ArcMap software. It's also easy. If you want, you can also check the all of the shapefile. Suppose I want to check the shapefile for 0. 0 is the only for the boundary. Okay, so it's the only for the boundary. It's only for the boundary of the Malay country. So as well as the 1 is the subdivision.
Yeah. Okay. But let's just try to take number 0 into Google
Yeah.
Engine.
You can see this is a sub, and also you can see that 2.
Just
So,
districts. Yeah.
yeah.
Districts.
2 is the district. So in this time, which shapefile you want to upload it in Google Earth Engine platform? District level or sub district level?
Let's try the 0 admin 01.
Oh, admin 1.
0.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, 0. Admin
Okay.
0. Let's go
Okay.
for that one.
Then in the same process, you can also upload it all of the shapefile, district level shapefile. So let's go. Okay, so I simply open my code editor. After the code editor, I simply go to the asset, and from this asset, I simply click to here. Then go, you can see shapefile. Okay, I simply click on the shapefile, and then I simply select the source file. And this source file, I want to simply go to my folder. I want to work with the 0, and 0 is that boundary only for the Malay this boundary. So I simply select the SSX, SSP, PRJ, and DBF. These 4 file need when you want to upload any shapefile in Google Earth Engine platform.
Yeah, no, I know that. Yeah,
Then open. Then I can simply use the same name. If you want, you can simply change the name, no problem. Then click to the upload.
Okay.
Now you can see it will be work.
Could you just go,
Yeah.
Could you just go back? You went into assets.
Yeah. Asset,
New-
then
new.
new. Yeah, new. Then
New.
shapefile.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. No problem.
Yeah. So now I can see it will be importing in here. So I just simply import it and it will be working. Okay. It's only for the one boundary. Okay. It's only for the one boundary. When you want to work with, you can see also district level or sub district level. You can see there are a lot of boundary. Okay. When you want
I
to
get that. That's no problem. Yeah.
okay, suppose you import the shapefile of the district level, then you can also filter the district separately one by one district. You also need to, you can easily separate. from this
By the
district
name.
shapefile.
Okay, okay.
It's also possible in Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose I simply import the shapefile, but I want to need the result only for this area. Only for this area, I need this result of the land use land cover classification map.
Yeah.
So you can
Name
easily
one,
filter
Malacca.
this, and you can easily get the result.
Yeah, okay.
So now we can
How do I, so go back to your code, which is the code you have for my regions. Go back to the code for the code you developed for me for my elephant marsh. Go back to that code.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now in here, how do you now put that Malawi boundary into
Okay.
here?
I try to show you this part. Just a minute. So it's working. You can see. So after okay. So done it. Okay. You can see it's done. In this time, I want to in this code I want to work with shapefile which I uploaded. Okay. So I simply come back to my code, and after this I simply click on the refresh asset. You can see I simply go to the asset, and you can see refresh. I simply refresh it. So I refresh it, then find out the file name. Which file name I want to add. You can see my file name is that. Okay, I also try to show you this file name. You can see file name is the MWI admin 0. Okay, MWI admin 0. So I simply find out the MWI admin 0. So you can see this is my file name. So this is my shape file. I simply click here. Okay, so now I can get
assets. Okay,
asset. So now I simply click the import. Now this shape file is imported. I simply click the import. You can see import. Okay,
you click import.
Now you can see it will be imported, and the table is a default variable name. Okay, table is a default variable name. In this time,
so if you change that to AOI and you hash out the top one,
no need. In this time, I just simply commenting this all of the line, and then I simply copy the geometry variable name and paste here geometry. Okay, so geometry is, you can see first time I filtered this and get for the sub district level boundary. In this time, this is my only for the one boundary. Okay, so this only one boundary, I simply put the name in the geometry, and when I click to the run, you can see I can get the result for the whole boundary of this country. So you can see I can get the result, and
beautiful. Beautiful.
So now you can easily import the shapefile easily, and then you can easily work with the ArcMap software and also make the map look like this. Okay, so I hope you can easily do this.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. So now I have a way of importing.
Any shapefile in same code. You can simply send the
shapefile. And I can export now any dynamic world data set from any
any world, any types of boundary area you can easily get.
And then if I want to change, I want to change dynamic world to be, you understand there is a Copernicus 10 meter 2020 data and 2021. You know that?
So then we need to use here the supervised classification. Basically, this dataset is the ready-made dataset, world land cover dataset. It's totally a ready-made dataset. But when you want to make the supervised classification using the Sentinel 10-meter resolution satellite image, then you also need to take the training point. You need to filter the Landsat image.
No, I get that. Can we do that? We can do that next time, can we?
Yeah. Okay. In this time, you can see this asset is set up only for my ID, ge.mizan. So this is my ID. When I want to share this ID with you, the same code, so I can simply go to this shapefile. You can see shapefile, and then I simply click on here, and then anyone can read, and done. So now you can also access my asset of this boundary area. Okay. So now this code link, anyone.
If you delete the asset, then I lose it.
Yeah.
That's why I want to know how to put it in my own project area.
Yeah. So now I can easily do this.
I can just do, when I do save as, I can save all your code in my project area.
Yeah.
That's what I did. Okay. Now, can you put into the code that you've supplied an option to either call up the dynamic world or to call up the Copernicus 10 meter already classified data, which is 10 meters. It's called like V100 and V200. You know the one?
Yes,
Do
we
you know
can.
the one?
Yeah.
If
So-
you go search, go upstairs, go search places and data sets. Put in there land cover, all one word, I think. Yeah. Okay. And then press search. There's something called V100 and V200. It's from Copernicus.
So here is it, this data set.
No, it's not. It's yeah. Maybe you put Copernicus. Go down. No, more under more. Yeah, put Copernicus. Yeah, there. Okay. So there's one. There's Copernicus. No, it's not. None of those. It's maybe you see LC100 is 100-meter. It's 10 meters. Oh, put in land cover just 10 m, 10 meter. Go back. Land cover just 10 m, 10 meter, m, and then get rid of copper. No, get rid of the Copernicus and put 10 m. Put the m next to, put the m, no space. Let me get you the data set. Yeah. Forget Copernicus. Just land cover 10 m. It's enough. 10-meter land cover.
Just when I simply search the Google, then you can easily get the so 10-meter land.
But it's Copernicus 10-meter land cover. There's two versions. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, world cover. It's called world cover. Go up, world cover. That's one.
Yeah.
World cover. You see, there's one for 2020 and one for 2021. I want to have both those data sets so that I can then cut out my area for each year, bring them into the GIS, and then I can do a difference.
2020 and 21 at the 10-meter resolution developed real-time based on the Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2 temperatures. Okay, Sentinel data for the worldwide Landcover mapping.
I want to compare that to the dynamic world.
Okay, so do you want to use this dataset for comparing the dynamic world dataset also? Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. Correct.
Okay.
But to be honest, I can do the comparison in the GIS, QGIS. So all I want is to be able to view it for my area, both together. Maybe I put the three areas. I put that area, the 2020, the 2021, and then I have your two layers, the probability shaded and the other one. Yeah. And then after that, I think I'm done with you for now.
Yeah.
But if we want to run a supervised classification, can you create a script to do the classification?
Okay, so okay, so I can easily do it because I already work with this Sentinel-2 satellite imagery for the supervised classification. So all of the code is already available in my asset. So just in this time, I need to choose your area, and from this area, I need to get the training point and apply the supervised classification method. Then it will be easily work, and we can easily get the result from the supervised.
Great. Okay. No, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you. Okay, have a good day. Okay, bye.
Thanks a lot. Cheers then. Bye.
Okay, bye.